Alright, so how's everybody doing? Well, I did a little short video the other day on this ammo that I got in from Centerfire Systems. It's in Versailles, that's how we say it, Kentucky, Versailles, Kentucky. But this is actually German made surplus. You know, this is from 1936, and I think this is either from 37 or 38. I'm not really exactly sure. I don't really know how to read all this stuff, but I'm thinking this is from 1938 and this is from 1936 ammo. So how this has stayed in cardboard boxes like this, perfect cardboard that is, I mean, you know, very easily degraded and messed up, you know, for this long of a period of time, I have no idea. But I mean, this stuff looks like it's literally brand new. How this survived World War II without getting shot or, you know, captured or just destroyed is, I mean, is anybody's guess. I don't know. But I got two cases of this. It's 300 each, and I've been debating on which one. I'm going to open one of them up and shoot it, and I don't know. I finally decided. I think I'm just going to save this one. This is the older one. To me, it's a little bit neater looking, and from 1936, and just because it's older, I don't know. I think I'm gonna save this. I'll put this somewhere. I'll put that somewhere safe for safekeeping, and then I think I'm gonna open these from I believe 1938. Open these up and see what they look like. And these things are kind of weird. They've got like a well, if you can see the strap right here, it goes all the way around, and it kind of just holds them all together. But I'm gonna try my best to, without messing this cardboard up too much, to move that around and get a box out of there to look at. Okay, well, this flap right here, you just tear this open and then you can see how the stuff's put together. You got that, and you take that, that's the strap that, well, you can't see, sorry, wasn't on camera, but there's the strap that kind of holds it together. And now if I can get one of these out of here, but you know, here's the cardboard boxes. I mean, this cardboard is just amazing. It looks like brand new, but there's a label on it. Let's see if I can get this bottom of this box open. Maybe I'll just open it this way. I'm trying really hard not to tear the cardboard up, so sorry. Alright, let's see what we got here. We'll just pull one out. Okay, so there's what we have. A little dusty from the cardboard, but golly, my eyesight's getting bad. But yeah, 38. So yeah, made in 1938. Oops, can you see it? 38, and then it's the Spitzer round. So yeah, look at that. I mean, I've heard some, and it's you know, looks like it's got a sealed primer on it. I hear a little bit of powder moving in there, a little jiggling around, so that's good. But so yeah, I don't know, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna get a I've got a couple 8mm Mausers, and let me grab this one right here. This is a nice old, it's got a walnut stock on it. Nice old, this is actually a Yugo refurbished, but it's a German you know, Mauser. You can see the Waffen amps on it under the thing there. But and you know, Mausers are known for the super strong actions. You know, they got 3 locking lugs. You know, you got their forward locking lug, and then you got your rear locking lug right there. So it's known to be a very super strong action. And so hopefully, I've heard some reports of these, you know, some hang fires and different things. So I don't know, I'm just going to try to be real careful with it, and maybe just hold one out and just shoot it and then see what happens, and then if it works, maybe I'll try to, you know, shoot a few more, and let's just keep our fingers crossed and pray that nothing crazy happens. Alright, well, after a quick function check, which I just held the rifle out away from my face and was real careful with it, it fired perfect. I mean, click, boom, just exactly what you want. Primer looks good, case, I mean, everything looks perfect. I mean, there's not even really any burnt powder or anything around the case. Everything looks good, checks out. One thing I did, I switched out to my other Mauser rifle that I have. So it's a German K38 Mauser. So that's what this was made to shoot and shoot in, and that's what we're going to shoot it in. So I'm going to try to get my chronograph set up here, and then we'll let a few rip and see what happens. Alright, 5 more shots. It's getting kind of dark out here, so my chronograph's not working right, but 5 more shots, all perfect, no hang fires, no delays or anything. So let me go down here and get this target and see what we got. Alright, well, I had the target at 50 yards, which I probably should have accounted for that, but anyways, I was shooting a little high. I couldn't really see where I was shooting. But anyways, as you can see, out of 8 shots there, I had one that was way down here, so I don't know, you know, that's probably who knows what, but these other ones I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I don't know what order I shot those in, because I shot 3, then I shot 5 more. So, I mean, take it for what it is, but definitely you throw that shot right there out. I mean, that right there, you're looking at, you know, that string right there, that's probably a 2-inch group at 50 yards, so you know, not terrible. But anyways, if you guys will bear with me, I think I'm gonna load up a few more, go put the target back out, try to aim, adjust my aim a little lower, maybe try to shoot just a little bit better group with 5 shots to see what I can do here. Alright, well, I should have stuck with my first group, I guess, but that ain't too bad. I mean, it's, you know, it could be worse. 1, 2, 3, 4, that ain't bad right there. That's about 2.5 inches. I had that one up there, but, you know, I was just there, I was aiming for the bullseye this time. I was just kind of trying to aim pin her at the bottom, so, you know, it wasn't, I didn't have the best point of aim, but anyways, that's what it is. I did end up getting some more chronograph data. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath here, but let me zoom the camera out so you can see it. But there's the rest of the chronograph data. 2544, 2506, so not too bad. And let's see, average of all shots, 25-15 standard deviation extreme spread. So, you know, nothing to write home about, but honestly, I mean, this ammunition for being as old as it is, you know, I didn't have any problems. I mean, this stuff fired right off, no hang fires, no delays, no nothing. And I'm sorry, but I mean, for a rifle that was made in 1939 and for ammo that was made in 1938, it's pretty darn good. So anyways, hope everybody liked the video. Hope everybody's doing well out there and staying safe and all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.